One thing I'll say is electrical engineering. I wouldn't necessarily advise going for electrical engineering because it's becoming less and less of a sought after skill set. And when it comes to automation robotics, electrical engineering is not actually a skill set that's utilized very often in our industry. And that might be something that's mind-blowing. You could say, how is that possible? But the reason for that is because technology is starting to increase in its abilities and the offerings that are on the market. So a lot of things are an Ethernet-based communication protocol or IO link or some other protocol, right? However, there's some electrical engineering there and there's some electrical wiring there, but you're talking about 24 volts and 0 volts, right? You're talking about supply power versus like back 10, 20 years ago, a lot more systems were wired with discrete wiring, with hardwired IO. Meaning you had a 20 wire cable and you had to wire that 20 wire cable to all different types of various sensors and devices out in the field. Now, and also the communication between the robot. You had to communicate from the PLC to the robot through a wired connection that was any signal that you wanted to send the robot. Hey, this is done, that's done, this next thing's happening. You had to do each one of those signals through an individual wire. Now we're able to do all that stuff. We're able to send the robot data, full packets of data, all through Ethernet, right? Or some other similar communication protocol. So with that being said, the electrical engineering is somewhat of a dying skill set in our industry.